an AI floor plan generator can make the entire process a breeze. Let's talk about the benefits, shall we? AI floor plan generators are like the superheroes of the design world. They're faster than a speeding bullet, able to generate multiple floor plan options in minutes. They're more accurate than a ruler, ensuring your designs are precise and error-free. And the best part? They're making architecture more accessible to everyone. With AI, you don't need to be an expert to design a functional and stylish home. It's like having a superpower in your pocket. Section 4: AI tools that will knock your socks off. In this section, we're diving deep into the world of AI-powered tools that are revolutionizing the way we design and visualize spaces. Whether you're an architect, an interior designer, or just someone who loves to tinker with home layouts, these tools are about to become your new best friends. Ready to meet the rock stars of AI floor plan design? These tools are not just smart, they're incredibly intuitive and user-friendly, making the design process smoother and more enjoyable. Let me introduce you to some game-changing tools that are setting new standards in the industry. These aren't just any tools. They're designed to make your workflow more efficient and your designs more precise. First up, there's Floor Planner. This tool is your go-to for intuitive drag-and-drop design. It's perfect for quickly sketching out ideas and making adjustments on the fly. With its user-friendly interface, you can create detailed floor plans without breaking a sweat. Then there's Planner 5D, a powerhouse that lets you visualize your dream home in stunning 3D. Imagine being able to walk through your design before it's even built. This tool makes it possible, offering a realistic view of your project from every angle. And don't forget about Cedrio, the AI assistant that helps you create professional-grade floor plans in a snap. Cedrio is perfect for those who need to produce high-quality designs quickly, without sacrificing detail or accuracy. These tools are packed with features like smart room detection, automatic furniture placement, and even virtual tours. Talk about impressive. With these capabilities, you can ensure that every detail is perfect, from the layout of the rooms to the placement of the furniture. These AI tools are truly transforming the way we approach design, making it more accessible and exciting than ever before. Section 5. The future of floor plans is here, and it's pretty cool. AI is transforming the world of design, and floor plans are just the beginning. Imagine a future where your home adapts to your needs, adjusting the layout based on your preferences. With AI, the possibilities are endless. So whether you're a design pro or a homeowner with a dream, embrace the power of AI and let your creativity soar. The future of design is here, and it's looking pretty amazing.